Happy World Nature Conservation Day. Today I'm going to talk about plastic pollution. Plastic is a substance. The use of plastic or increased day by day. We get plastic in cheaper rates, and because of that the plastic has been used very frequently in our day-to-day life. Due to excess use of plastic, it has been affected our lives. Plastic cannot be decomposed easily nor cannot be burned then because it's produce carbon dioxide which affects the surrounding very badly. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the Earth's environments that adversely affects human, wildlife and their habitat. So Syuti is an initiative that aims at reducing the propagations of single-use plastic through use of cloth bags. We help upcycle your sarees and curtains into these foldable shopping bags so that you can switch to using them for shopping. Help conserve nature by making a conscious switch today.